Allah dislikes this negligence. That's why He said, وَلَا تَكُمْ مِنَ الْغَافِلِينَ. Don't be among the negligent. Negligent means to forget or to ignore someone. Look today, this neglect causes resentment. People say someone ignores us. Wife complains to husband. He cares for everyone else, but not us. He's happy with friends, but we wait all night with no time to talk. If wife asks something and husband forgets, it leads to bitter words. If you ask wife to prepare clothes for work and she forgets, you'll be angry. So negligence causes anger. It's carelessness and shouldn't happen. If kids neglect studies, parents worry. If siblings don't care for each other, parents worry. If workers neglect their job, the boss worries. So you see, hatred mainly stems from negligence. Due to negligence, people's hearts grow to hate each other. Allah dislikes negligence as well. That's why He said, وَلَا تُطِعْ مَنْ أَغْفَلْنَا قَلْبَهُ عَنْ ذِكْرِنَا. Don't listen to him whose heart we've made heedless of our remembrance. Try to keep Allah in your heart always, as He dislikes the negligent. Hands at work, heart with God. Hands busy with tasks, heart busy remembering Allah. Though I face life's daily struggles, I never neglect thoughts of you. Allah wants my servants to remember me while working in this world. This differs from worldly, carnal, or satanic love, where one wants the beloved's body, not their heart. In physical love, the body is needed. They want the body near. The heart can be elsewhere. But Allah's love is unique. Allah says, my servant, I want your heart with me. I don't mind where your body is. We may be at home or in the mosque, in prayer or sitting with family, in any state. If our hearts turn to Allah, He's pleased with us. Many people in busy markets never forgot Allah for a moment. Sheikh Shahabuddin Sohrawardi, may Allah bless him, wrote that he once passed through a market. He saw a young boy there. Customers were crowded around him. The Sheikh looked into the boy's heart. He found that the boy's heart never forgot Allah, not even for a moment. So even amid customers, the devout remember Allah. If we don't make an effort to remember Him, even a woman alone at home can still forget. Forgetting leads to loss in faith and worldly matters. Resolve to stay mindful in work, worship, and remembrance. Allah said, وَلَا تَكُمْ مِنَ الْغَافِلِينَ. Do not be among the neglectful.